Let's have some fun today. I have a real NCEE mathematics question. Your child has just 30 seconds to solve it. No calculator, no help, just thinking. Ready? Here is today's challenge. What is the sum of all the prime numbers between 1 and 15? Don't shout the answer yet. Give your child 30 seconds. Watch how they think. Sometimes the process is more important than the answer. Time's up. Before you reveal the correct answer, ask your child one simple question. How did you solve it? That conversation tells you much more than whether they got it right. It reveals how they think. This looks like a simple question, right? But many pupils will still lose this mark. Some will mistakenly include 1 as a prime number. Others will forget one of the prime numbers completely. And some will identify the correct numbers but rush the final addition. That is why we encourage pupils to think carefully before writing an answer. Now let's solve the question. The question again says, what is the sum of all the prime numbers between 1 and 15? Now, we've already established that 1 is not a prime number. So if I were the 1, here's what I would do. I'll write out all the numbers between 1 and 15. So between means all the numbers after 1 and the very number before 15. What are the numbers? We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now, first and foremost, we begin eliminating some of the numbers we are certain are not prime numbers. First, we start with all the even numbers except 2. So what are these even numbers? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. So now we are left with 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. Another group we want to eliminate are numbers that obey certain rules of division. For example, the rules of division for 3 is that if the number can be found in the 3 times table, then that number is not a prime number. Alright, so we have a number like 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. It means it cannot be a prime number. So what are we left with? We are left with 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. Now, we were not just asked to find the prime numbers, we were asked to find the sum of the prime numbers. What does sum means? It means addition operation. So we have 13, 11, 7, 5, 3, and 2. Then we add them up. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. So we write 1 and carry 2. Then we have 2 plus 1, which is 3, and then 3 plus 1, which gives us 4. So the sum of all the prime numbers between 1 and 15 is 41, which is option B. How did your child do? Tell us in the comments. Did they get the correct answer or did they discover something new today?